Get ready to amaze your guests with this fun and creative Halloween setup. We've got some fantastic ideas to elevate your celebration. Let's kick things off by transforming a large disco ball into a vase. Carefully remove a layer of mirrors and cut an opening at the top. Next, fill it with flowers like roses, chrysanthemums, peonies, anything you love. We're using Halloween colors to make it blend perfectly with the setup. Now let's assemble the clear candle stands in different sizes. Screw them together, remove the protective covers, and set them aside. Our black and white striped table runner will look amazing over the purple tablecloth. Place the large disco ball flower vase in the center, add some decorative branches, then bring in the candle stands we just put together. These smaller disco balls bring the perfect spooky sparkle, adding just the right touch to our Halloween setup. Next, we'll set out the Baroque dinner plates with the animal-printed disposable plates on top for a bold, festive look. We'll also arrange the cups and wine glasses to keep the vibe classy but fun. Finally, we'll wrap it up with disposable napkins, which you can customize on our website, and finish it off with sleek cutlery to complete the whole setup. Doesn't it look amazing? You can recreate this for your own Halloween party. Head to our website for these items and follow our pages for more setup ideas. Thanks for watching!